Hello viewers, today I am going to share you how we can make a video from a vertically recorded video and a horizontally or a larger video, landscape video. So you can do the same with your Android mobile and your personal computer. So I am going to share you first through my PC. I am also using free video editing software called Openshot. So let's go to the screen to see it. Now Openshot video editing software is open, simple view is open, and you can see the screen is larger, not yet made for a short video. However, later on we will change it. So press plus sign and select both vertical and horizontal video. So first bring the horizontal video to make a short video. Now let's go and watch profile. Change the profile. Two options are available vertically, so I am going to choose the first one, 30 fps C. So let's click it and close it. Now you can see that black areas are available, which is too big. So right click, transform or control R from your keyboard, and you can see that dots around your video appear. So click it and hold and drag. Now drag it down. Now let's do again. When it become double-ended, squeeze it. Now you can see that the screen is fit. You can squeeze or stretch as you wish. Now the red line, you can simply play it or you can drag it. Click the scissor and cut the video where you don't like to keep it. Click it and delete. Now press this sign and go to start. Bring the video to the start and let's play it. Now let's suppose I'm going to cut it over here. Again right click, select and Control K. So it will cut both sides. Now let's go again and simply I am going to have another cut. Let's choose this area, stop it over here, and let's click on the red line, right click and Control J or keep right side, so middle size of the video is disappeared. Now go to the start and drag the video remaining part to the end. Now let's go and play it. Again right click on the same area and Control L or keep left. Click the red button and give it a name. Export the video. You can also change the format of this. However, MP4 is fine for YouTube. So let's export it. It's done. Now let's go and check it. Now the video looks good, and this is your short video from a horizontal video. Now we will do the same through a vertical video, which is a little difficult. Bring it to timeline and let's right click, transform. However, you can't resize it through the way we did it earlier. So leave it, undo it because it's difficult. Right click, property, and now come down to scale X. 1.8 is mostly perfect. Let's check 1.7, but black areas are still available from up and down side. So let's keep it to 1.8. Now it's fit, and at the same time scale Y for the other side. Let's check it 1.6. However, 1.8 is most suitable. Let's check 1.7. Black areas are available, and now it's perfectly right. Play it and keep the area you wish to keep. Now simply Control K for cut both sides. Play again and drag it a little. Again still it and Control J for removing the unnecessary part, or you can simply do the same through right click. Control J, through which we can also cut the video and remove the video in one command. Now play the video. So let's go and select up to this area is fine. Come back, right click, Control L or keep left side. So now the video is perfectly vertical video. Now let's right click, add a track if you would like to add a monogram over it. So I'm going to share you how I do it. This is the monogram. Jakim Khan take. Drag the video a little up and keep it on the main video. Right click, layout 1/4 top right, and now Control R or right click, transform on the logo. So simply you can do it through this way, or you can also use the scale X and scale Y. Now it's perfectly right. So now let's go again, bring to effects, bring chroma key, right click, property, and click this area. Now pick a color and click the green area to disappear. Now increase fuzz, so let's make it 200. You can keep your own. Now play the video and it's done. So again come to the red line, right click, keep left, red button for keeping the video recording, and give it a meaningful name and then export. Now you have learned both the video making from horizontal and vertical. So let's play it. It's done and it's look good. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.